Without Tosfim Masechet Midot, the sixth parsha, Torah tells us the mitzvah of Brit Milah. Yom Hashmini, Imol Besar Olato. The 8th day, we do Brit Milah. The Torah doesn't say Brit Milah, the Torah says Imol Besar Olato. The meat, the flesh of the Ola. Maybe that's what it means, of course. But the Torah should have said, Imol, you do Brit Milah. You know, Imol Besar Olato. The same concept, the same idea the Torah uses eventually, before Mashiach will come, "Umar Hashem et Elokecha et לבבך ואת לבב זרעך." It says, before Mashiach will come, Hashem will do Brit Milah to our heart. Actually, there's Chachamim, they pray, they want Hashem to do Brit Milah to the heart. It's not the Brit Milah. Eventually, the goal is that Hashem should do Brit Milah to our heart. Torah says. But to reach that level that you want Hashem to do Brit Milah to your heart, it means to fix your heart. It's because, excuse me, it's because Hashem gave us the Brit Milah. The concept of Brit Milah Hashem gave us, that if a person accepts it on himself, that it means eventually Hashem is going to do Brit Milah to his heart. So the condition to be when Mashiach will come and to have the right to be redeemed is only if Hashem is going to do Brit Milah to our heart. And that only after Brit Milah. So that Maharal, Al Chachamim said the number 8 is called above the nature. Above the nature. Up to 7 is nature. Number 8 is above. So Hanukkah are 8 days. Shmini Atzeret, that's the Sukkot, is the highest number because it's number 8. And if you go to China, you see all the license plates only 8. Because it means it's I don't know how the Chinese, they know it. They know a lot of things in Chinese. 8 is above the nature. Above the nature. Means doesn't matter what the world is about. You can be saved from number 8. How do you say? If Hashem gave us Brit Milah, it's not because Hashem wants us to be Brit Milah. Hashem wants us to be connected to number 8. Number 8 means above the nature. And let's say, when Hashem Elokecha, Hashem is going to be Brit Milah. Et lebavcha ve'levav zarecha. Condition for the Mashiach is above the nature. To reach that level, you be above the nature, is only by Yom Hashmini, on the 8th day, you do Brit Milah. Why 8th day? Why does it 8th day? So Zohar says the reason is because Hashem, the Zohar says, because Hashem wanted every baby to pass Shabbat. It will be only 7 days, so it means that the baby was born on Shabbat. 7 days is going to be Friday. He didn't pass. He has to pass Shabbat. Zohar said, therefore, the wisdom of Hashem, Hashem said, do it on the 8th day, that every baby should have able to pass Shabbat. What Shabbat? What do you have Shabbat? Why is it Shabbat? Why the baby has to pass Shabbat? That's what the Gemara says. Keep Shabbat in the Torah. It says 50 times in the Torah to keep Shabbat. 50 times Torah repeats Shabbat, Shabbat, Shabbat. As well as the Gemara says, Shabbat is 1/60th of Olam Haba, above nature. So Hashem wants so-called the baby's neshama to feel that Shabbat has. It's above nature. It's number 8. As says the person is to have all his life the idea of above nature. As the Gemara says, the Gemara says, Bismillah is the stamp of Hashem. What it means is Hashem wants you to know Olam Haba is above nature. Shabbat is above nature. The 8th day of Brit Milah is above nature. As the lady gives birth, the Torah says he gave birth to a son. Do Brit Milah to your son. Even though the lady is not obligated, but it means the baby should get Brit Milah. It means the baby should know the concept of above nature. That's the secret. That's the Gemara says. That's the Gemara says. The Brit Milah, you say the bracha, Brit Milah. Actually, Rambam says you should not have this in mind. What you have to have in mind is our Sinai. Rambam writes in his commentary in the Push Mishnayot on Masechet Kolin. Somebody asks me, why you do Brit Milah today? Because Hashem told Abraham, said no. Because this is part. This is part. So what's wrong with Abraham? No, Rambam says, what's the secret behind it? Because the bracha that we say before the Brit, our minhag, Hashem, you told us to do the Brit of Milah, not the mitzvah of Brit. Mitzvah of Brit because Moshe told us now, Sinai, this is part. But the Kavana, Brito of Avraham Avinu, the Gemara says because Avraham Avinu was above nature. So I tell us one time, Hashem picked up Avraham Avinu and showed him that he's above the star. Nature is the star. So I tell us, Avraham Avinu told Hashem, I don't think I'm going to have a child. Hashem said, you know what, you're right. With nature, you're not going to have a child. Hashem picked up Avraham Avinu, the Gemara says, above the stars, and told him, you're above the stars, you're above nature. Above nature, you have it. That's the Kavanah Brit Milah. We say, it's not because of it to do Brit Milah. It's Brit Milah do because what Moshe told you. But the bracha that you say, that you understand what the purpose of Brit Milah. It's to elevate you above nature, above the stars. That's the whole purpose of Brit Milah. And that's the Zchut of Avinu, the Gemara says. Because he controlled himself, all his limbs, he controlled himself to Hashem, then you reach the level to be above the stars. Hashem said this is parasha. On the 8th day only you do Brit Milah. Because the number 8 is above the stars. The person in his lifetime has to reach a level that he wants to be above the stars, above nature. Above nature means Gula. As the Torah says, before Mashiach will come, Mashiach will do Brit Milah to your heart. Your heart because you're above the stars. Above the stars, it means that you can be like an angel. Then Mashiach will come.